So just go on and sprinkle this before you go to bed, tonight or any night, and this is what will happen. You will receive total miracle. What is that thing that you desire? You have been praying a lot. You have been seeking for solution, but it's not coming true. Just try this before you go to bed, and so many great things will happen. So in case you are new here, you are welcome. I share spiritual tips on this channel. Just go through my videos. You will see so many tips that will help you spiritually. Consider subscribing for more tips. Also like this video. You have to get salt. I will show you the proper way to sprinkle salt. I normally share how to use salt on this channel in different ways to cleanse yourself. Sprinkling around the environment, around your house, and also putting the salt without mixing it in water. There are so many ways. Salt gets rid of negativity. Salt removes hindrances. Salt removes bad luck. It breaks spells. It removes charm. It breaks away anything causing evil that is blocking the way for good things to come to your life. You know what it means? When those negativity has gone out, good things will start coming your way. Try to get any salt. If you cannot find sea salt, please use any salt. If you get this salt, you have to pray with this salt, telling God your wishes, what you want. But before then, tell God to forgive your iniquities, that you are sorry. Any wrong thing you have done in the past that is now of the past, that I should have mercy upon you, to cleanse away your iniquities so that this will work for you. There are so many things that is causing your prayer not to be answered. If you use this to sprinkle around your environment, around your house, before you go to bed, you have to pray also and ask God for anything after this. Don't worry, I'll guide you on what to do. Pray with that salt, telling God to send his power into this, that you cannot do it alone, that you need God to come to your rescue. You need God to come and intervene in this. You know what you want. This is the time to start speaking good thing into your life, and also removing evil out of your life. Speak out anything which is not right. Then after that, you have to get a bowl, a colored bowl, a transparent bowl, a white bowl, but do not use a black bowl. When it comes to spiritual work like this, do not use anything black. What you are putting on shouldn't be black. So pray and transfer some quantity of salt into that bowl. Add water. I normally prefer rainwater. Yes, just a little water is all you need, because you sprinkle it. You don't need too much water to sprinkle everywhere, just a little. If you get rainwater, better. Pray with that rainwater, telling God what you want. Remember, I've mentioned how to fetch rainwater. In the end of this video, I will tell you how to do it. I don't want to bring it now. Let's continue. So if you have rainwater, just put it. Pour some amount into that salt. Leave it for some time. Allow that salt to dissolve properly. Just a little amount. 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of salt is enough. So when it has dissolved properly, as you're sprinkling it, you have to be praying that you need any evil thing out of this house to get out. This is not ordinary salt and water. This is now a holy water to remove evil from your house, to drive away evil forces, to drive away evil manipulating spirits, any manipulating forces coming from anywhere. That enough is enough. From today, it shall leave your house. Any monitoring spirits, any kind of spirits in your vicinity, that enough is enough, that you drive it out, and so shall it be. Sprinkle sparingly. Do not pour so much, just sparingly as you pray. Then after that, you believe that God have heard you. Just believe that God have answered you, and so shall it be. It's very simple. This is very simple, but the result is massive. So you can also use salt water to have your bath before you sleep. Aside sprinkling around to cleanse your space, you can also bathe yourself. Add some amount of salt into your bath water to cleanse away anything which is not right. But you must do it with prayers. As you bathe with prayers, and also having faith that God has answered you, and you see things working perfectly. So after doing any spiritual work like this, you go to bed. The next day, just do good deeds. If you don't have money, you can be kind to one person, even if it's one person. Show kindness in one way or the other. Giving out. It can be something that belongs to you. You love it. Okay? You really love this thing. You want to give it out. you know that if you give it out, the person will appreciate it. That is the kind of gifts you should give. Do not give something that is worn out, that is old looking, that is like rag. Okay, you want to give us something that somebody will appreciate. It can be food. Just one person is enough. It can be 2 persons, 7, as many as you feel like. It can be money. Just give out money, just even if it's little. This will charge your spiritual work, your prayers, and make it answered. And God loves a cheerful giver. Okay, after doing spiritual work, do not stop. Continue praying, seeking God. There are so many things God can do for you, not only to bless you financially or to make you prosper. Long life is the major thing that we always seek for. Good health. So this is how to fetch rainwater. Okay, I mentioned using rainwater, but if you don't have rainwater, you can use ordinary water, any water. Get your bowl, place it outside. You can keep it on the top of your car. As that rain is dropping from the sky, just allow it to be dropping directly into that bowl. Do not place it to be coming down from your roof before you touch into that bowl. And do not also place it under a tree. The rain shouldn't touch another thing, any item, before touching into that bowl. If you fetch it like that, it's no longer a rain, it's polluted. Make sure it's straight from up directly into that bowl. Even if the water that you got is little, do not worry. This is strong and very, very powerful. Pray with that water, store it, and be using it for your spiritual purpose. So we are entering a rainy season now. Okay, it's very good. Just store some amount of rainwater and be using it even when it's a dry season. Rainwater lasts a long time. So in case you find this video and it's not raining, you can use ordinary water like I said earlier. So this is the proper way to fetch rainwater for spiritual purpose. May God bless you. So after sprinkling your house, like I said, the next day just believe that God has answered you. You will notice great things like positivity. Some people, when they sleep, they will notice that those evil dreams, those nightmares will be over. Sometimes if you sleep, God will reveal something to you through dreams. Even if it's a bad dream, just know that this is a revelation to help yourself. A good dream, also appreciate God, pray, and thank God for it. Thank God and pray that let it come to pass. May God bless you. Time to time, also do this. Sprinkling salt water is a very great way to bless your space, to bless your environment, to cleanse your environment so that evil will not enter. And also to get rid of any monitoring spirits. Some people, they monitor one from evil forces, from their coven, from wherever they are monitoring from. But it shall not be your portion in Jesus' name. Pray along with this, with your faith. God will answer you. So there's a video here, very powerful. Do not miss this video. Please click it after this. Or you can just click it now. Go and watch it. It will be a blessing to you. May God bless you. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more videos like this. And also like this video. I'll see you next time.